A question that I get a lot is, do you stay open during renovation or do you close it completely? And I guess it would depend on the type of renovation. Andy, you kind of alluded to that with your one store where you had to just completely shut it down. What are your thoughts? How would you prefer to do it? And how have you done it in the past with different stores?
I've done it both ways. I've done it both ways. It really depends on the amount of work you're doing and what you're doing. I mean, I can paint with people there. I can replace ceiling tiles with people there. I can do maintenance on, I could replace swamp coolers or air conditioning units with people still in there. Flooring is a different issue. If I do anything where I have to close if I do anything that I have to close the laundry, depends on how long I'm going to close it for. First of all, I notify everybody what's going to happen and when it's going to happen. If my remodel is going to be longer than a week, I figure that I'm going to take care of my clients when I reopen. If it's going to be less than a week, I usually have an attendant or an employee sit outside that laundromat for their shift and hand out business cards that says free wash, free dry, whatever the case may be, sorry for the inconvenience, and hand them a card. And then maybe log down their name so I get an understanding of who came in and who didn't. Even after posting, people will just show up. And then I go about and I start on a Tuesday or a Wednesday, which is usually the slower day of the week. And I'll start my work then in hopes that I can be done by Friday or Saturday when the big rush comes in. So I kind of try to time it at that time, and then I try to get it done. And I'm telling you, I'm getting people working 8, 9 o'clock at night, so that it's not a 6 to 6 job. It's 6 to 9 or 6 to 10, and they're going to get the job done. And I can, I don't mind paying a little bit more at nighttime for overages, but I want that thing open as quickly as possible. And therefore, I'm going to take care of my clients during the day, and I'm going to start in the middle of the week. So on the off chance I can get finished by the weekend.
Perfect. Tammy, what are your thoughts on that? On staying open during a renovation or just shutting it down?
For us, we definitely stayed open, but we tried. So like when we did the vent cleaning, the front side, we did it early morning. So we had someone come in probably like 5 in the morning, so that by the time your 6, 7 a.m. customers come in, half are done. They can start using those half, and the other half we're working on those. When we did the back of the dryers, we did it in the evening, kind of the way he said. So you really do just try and manage it that way. Any renovations you do, you want to have it where it's kind of gearing towards the end of the night when you're about to close down. You have like, a couple people trickling in after work, just trying to get their last loads in, but you still can have the people working and getting the job done, and they're working kind of later into the evening. So absolutely, I agree with that. That's exactly what we did, actually.
Right.